How to fix Instagram unable to load effects on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram unable to load effects on Android phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps, click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, and now click storage, and then click clear cache. And if you have an iOS, just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, select Instagram, and click offload, and that's it. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now just go to Play Store and see if there's any update here, and if you can't find any update, click on install and install your Instagram, and that's it. Restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.